Welcome to NextGen Cloud Computing, your go-to channel for mastering cloud technology. With over 20 years of experience in the cloud space, I'm here to guide you step by step from beginner to expert level. We're releasing a series of free videos focused on AWS, GCP, and Azure, covering everything from the basics to advanced concepts, with a special emphasis on real-world scenarios to give you a hands-on understanding of cloud systems. This channel is all about practical, actionable knowledge, and we're committed to making these tutorials accessible to everyone, especially those who can't afford costly courses. Don't miss out. Subscribe to stay updated with our series and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video drops. We also value your input. Leave a comment with your suggestions or any doubts you have. We'll be reviewing your feedback every week, and your questions could shape our upcoming videos. Let's create a community where we all learn and grow together. Ready to dive in? Let's make this cloud journey exciting and beneficial for everyone.